Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. The DeFi bully. You get me? Today I'm gonna be doing a quick update on baked beans. I'm gonna show you guys this cool new tool I found that shows you all your percentages and all these things, as well as I'm gonna be talking briefly on people talking about the rewards slowing down, the rewards stopping, and why I feel like it never really stops. Okay, now but before we get into that, you already know the vibes. Want you guys to go over here to the DeFi bullet. Oh, don't mind this. I just be looking at the yachts, looking at my future yacht, because I will get one through this DeFi game. Y'all know the vibes. Go over to the DeFi bullet YouTube page. We're on that push to 1,000 subscribers. We're so close, so close. I'm gonna plan something nice for when we hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm not sure, maybe an airdrop, give away some money, something like that. Yeah, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bells, notification bell NASA. Links to the Telegram group down below. All right, now back to the beans, the baked beans. Matter of fact, before I even say that, let me hit this rebate one time. Okay. I know you guys probably can't see all of that, but confirm. You're gonna see that reload right there. Now, I found a cool tool, or well, it's really a bot. I'm not sure how to get it, but it's in my group. So if you guys want to join the Bullpen Millionaires group, what you do is you punch a phrase, like it'll show like a menu once you're on it. In the Telegram group is right here. Can you guys see this? It's right here. You click this thing right here. Okay. Hold up. And then it'll show the list of the different projects that it covers. All right. Or once it's a part of the group, you just press this slash sign right here, then put baked beans. And I believe you could do it in a private message with it as well. But I did it a while ago. As you can see, my percentages are way down because the time period where I was investing in some other projects, I did a lot of withdrawals. But now I'm actually building back up my compounding. So I think it's a real cool tool on this account. I think it's a real cool tool because it shows how much you invested, how much you received, your percentage on your ROI. And it's called Crypto Cult Bot. If you guys, like I said, you could join the Telegram group down below. We give you a how to get it. It shows how much you earn by compounding. Compounding net benefit is at 0.97 right now. So actually right now we reached a point where the decline and the TVL actually slow down to the point where the payout is actually more again. So now compounding will actually raise those at a faster rate. Now, another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is the rewards. People saying the rewards slow down. All right. See that number change real quick. Ooh. 1,267,690,335 beans. Nah, but people talking about the rewards stopping. They're not stopping. The rewards are always coming in. It might just take a longer time to get as much as you probably was getting it faster before. You're still getting it now. It just slowed down a bit. And as you see right now, according to the Crypto Cult Bot, and if you're watching a chart like I am, you'll see that the decline did slow down today. And actually on Moonarch, it shows it as well. See right here, it says 2.24% down evolution TVL for the day. So as you guys know, the last video I believe was like 3 something, and I believe yesterday was over -4. So the decline did reduce a little bit. I did just compound that, so that's not updated. It doesn't update like constantly. So I refreshed this. You saw that it went up. And hopefully this compound and everything will bring us one step closer to financial freedom. I want to do a quick update on the baked beans. But before I get out of here, let me take a look at this the Baby Beans Miner group one time, see what's new. I'm not super active in a group, but I do check for updates. Right, this was June 1st was the last update. This is the wine-free zone. We are here to make you feel better about it. We have provided tons of information and updates. We're continually working on this platform. This is a FUD-free zone. The Telegram group is a FUD-free zone. And for you guys that don't know what FUD means, it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Okay? FUD-free zone. If you don't like it, sorry, but that's how it works here. And it works that way elsewhere. If you have questions that's real, ask away. If you feel the need to FUD, hit up your friends and family. If you have a real question and can't get an answer, DM a staff member. FUDers will be muted and banned. Okay, so basically it's just people constantly asking, oh, my reward stopped, or why did it stop, or it didn't stop, okay? And that's the point of this video, really, is just to show you guys, no matter how bad it may seem or how down things may be at the moment, you're still getting rewards. You're still getting rewards. It's still coming in. So don't believe the hype, people. Don't believe the hype. You feel me? It's Baby Beans. You get me? And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to do a quick video just to show you guys the updates and this and that. Talk about Telegram. Yeah, man. I got something special in the next video. But I'm going to cut this one short. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Baby Beans been around for 210 days now. A lot longer than a lot of these miners and projects and platforms. So show respect where respect is due. Let's get to that bag, people. Bully time. I'm not a financial advisor. All this is entertainment.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.